Hey guys, welcome to AGKG Gaming. I'm AG.
And I'm KJ. Today we will be playing Roblox Adopt Me, opening eggs, and showing cool hacks along the way.
Now before we get started, remember to subscribe, like, and smash that bell. And to become officially a member of the Sprinkle Squad. Now before we get started, remember to always
Sprinkle the world with kindness. Let's get started. Okay, first we need to join Adopt Me. We're starting to join.
We're loading. Okay, here we go.
We already bought a few things on here and transferred some pets from our other accounts, so we have a few things on here.
So we're not super poor.
Not that much. And we've already done our avatar too. Okay, we still need to load.
Loading.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go. We have a pretty bad house. Maybe we can do a video one time of just building our house.
And how to make it look expensive and actually make it look nice.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's teleport to gifts.
Let's teleport to gifts. Before this video, we bought a lavender to try to trade in today's video.
So,
okay, so let's pull it out.
Okay.
And let's say trade.
Now I'm going to type in trading lavender. Okay, hopefully somebody's like, can I offer, and like they trade us.
Oh, let's see if they will do it for a
red
ride potion. That would be really good.
That would be nice.
That would be really
she's
good
gonna
for us.
trade.
Okay, let's keep on trying to trade her.
Oh,
we got a trade. What if it was her? That would be good.
Oh,
A Lennox. We might be looking for something a little more. I know those are out of game, but they're only rare. They're pretty good, but we might be looking for a little something else.
Yeah.
Oh, another trade.
Perfect. We're getting loaded with trades in this server.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope she's not trying to get it free.
Okay, got it.
Oh, right, Dodo.
We need to add. She's adding.
Okay, that's good.
That's good. Yeah.
We need
That's
a
a good trade. We need a dodo because we need one more to make a neon. And
it's a preteen. That's pretty good.
Are they saying anything? Maybe add.
Us add? Or
Yeah.
say,
Ooh, they're gonna take away the dodo.
I know.
Say just dodo, maybe?
Just Dodo. Just Dodo.
Just dodo.
Just Dodo, please.
Because we want to make,
Is she gonna keep adding? Okay, she's talking to someone else. I hope she's not expecting us to add.
I hope she doesn't take away the dodo because we really need that.
Yeah. That's the only thing we actually need from them.
Oh, she took it away.
Dang
Let's
it.
politely decline. Oh, we got another trade.
Wow. So good.
Ooh, we already have that, but I think that's pretty good, don't you?
I would. Ooh. A ride a penguin.
A ride penguin.
That's pretty good.
That is.
Oh, dang it.
Should we? I don't think so. Let's politely decline.
Oh, another person.
Nice.
Okay.
Oh, sorry guys, my little sister. Bye-bye, Molly. All right.
Is she gonna?
Us to ride snow out.
Maybe.
We have to do this, I think. Ooh, are they adding?
Are they expecting us to add?
I'm not sure.
I would accept this already. Okay.
Yeah, we have to.
This is good. She doesn't have to keep adding.
Oh, sorry, Molly. Please go. All right, sorry. She might pop in a little bit. She just likes to come down and bother us.
No, I don't.
Oh,
dang it. She should get that.
Let's politely decline this.
Yeah, that's a pretty good
Let's see if
offer,
we can
but-
get it for the ride potion.
Yeah.
Where is
her?
that girl?
I think she's right there.
Oh, yeah, there she is. I didn't see her at first.
There we go. Okay. Oh, yes, this time she's not in a trade. Perfect.
Yay. Great.
Hopefully she accepts. Or trade at least. Maybe trade her again. She might be
Is she in a
AFK.
trade?
Yeah, I think she's AFK.
She's AFK.
We'll come back to her. Maybe try to go with the dino.
What?
The girl with the dino.
Oh,
Drew David.
he has a mega ride.
That's
Here, and then we should also probably add our
Mega Neons.
neon ride. He's red.
Mega Neons are like.
Should we do just our diamond dragon?
Oh, he.
I don't know if that's good enough for us. We're gonna have to politely decline this.
Yeah.
Do you want to show a hack?
Sure. Okay.
Oh, let's just do this trade, and then we'll turn off our trades, and AG will show us a few hacks.
Yeah. That's it. Okay. Maybe accept? I mean, would you do that? Let's see if she accepts. Oh, Ghost Bunny.
Ghost Bunny.
She might take out the Ghost Bunny. Okay, I'm gonna go start walking to our location. Oh, Yeti.
I don't want to. If she accepts it with a snow owl, I don't know if we should still do it because she would be way over.
Okay, I think we should add
Maybe
maybe Sabretooth. Yeah.
Yeah, we have 2 of those.
So, okay, I think she wants us to add.
Maybe an emu?
Sure.
Those are out of game.
Yeah, so those are.
Okay, let's go out to our location while we're trading.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
I think she wants us to add.
Yeah. Oh, maybe
I mean,
just
Take out the email.
take out the emu and the Sabretooth. If she does that, that would still be very good.
Yeah, I would do that. Okay, so
Let's accept this.
maybe she'll. That would be. Ooh.
Yay!
It still doesn't mean she'll accept, but
Yeah, we'll have to see.
hopefully she does.
If she does, she was very nice. If you're watching this video,
I see.
Icy Arctic,
Thank you.
thank you if you accept this.
Accept.
Confirm.
Confirm.
Oh, we still have out our lavender. We have to make sure not to throw.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we'll go out to
In case we accidentally throw it. Come on.
Icy Arctic. Come on.
Come on, I see our day. Okay, maybe we'll decline since she's taking a long
Yeah.
time. We'll come back.
That's
to
a very
her.
good offer, though.
Thank you. Okay,
Yeah.
wait. Let's take out.
Sorry, Molly. My sister. Oh, oopsie.
Let's take that
Okay.
out. So, okay. So the hack is you can go by Justin. Hi, Justin. You can go down here, and it's like this really cool cave area.
Hi, my daddy.
And it's like not really hack. Like you can't get really cool. Like you can't get free pets or anything.
It's
But-
just very pretty and bright. I love it.
Yeah, and sometimes it would be cool to do like a YouTube intro here, or like
We should do that for our next video.
yeah. Sometimes we like to play hide and seek together around the map, so that this would be a good spot, especially
Look.
if your friends don't know.
An arrow. Maybe we should go up there.
That would be cool. Just darkness.
Do you know what's gonna happen? AG?
Oh, wait.
What?
Oh, you must have gone. Oh, we're just going
Oh.
back up.
That's really cool.
Okay.
Should we throw our lavender or try to trade it?
Let's try to trade it.
Okay.
But if we don't get good enough trades, then we'll just throw it, and then hopefully we'll get something good. So,
Let's see. Let's ride. Let's go on our king bee.
that'll.
Riding. Or let's fly it actually.
That'll be easier to go places faster.
I can't.
Oh.
We're just gonna go in the water, I guess.
Okay,
You know,
maybe.
let's just stop riding.
Yeah, we'll just.
Oh, and just to let you guys know, if you have Sprinkle Squad in your name and we see you, we will give you a free pet. So you might want to add that. And oh, remember to put your
Dream pet.
Put your dream pet in the chat.
And like down below in the comments, and maybe your username, because sometimes people have other people's dream pets, and you guys can maybe trade, and you'll get really good pets. Who knows?
Yeah.
Oh, ride
Ooh,
potion.
a ride potion. That would be so good.
Okay, maybe she accept. If she accept.
If she does, what pet?
Ooh. I think we should save, or we can use it.
I think we should do that.
Okay.
But we might want to.
We can also get some really good stuff for it.
Yeah. Should we hatch an egg after this and see if we want to put our potion on there?
Sure.
Let's see. Is
Or
she
maybe
gonna
we should
accept?
save it.
Yay! We got it. Okay, let's just look at our pets and see if there's one that we might want to put.
Her name's a dodo bird. That's the pet we
Dodo
really
bird.
need.
Maybe she has one. Let's trade her.
Oh, that's Icy Arctic.
Oh, I see Arctic.
Oh,
Good thing she's hiding. Do you want to put it on any pets, or should we save it for next video and see?
Maybe we should save it, and maybe we can get some.
Do you want to open an boss leg? Sure.
Really
open
quick.
first.
And then that's all the time we have for this video. So we're
Yeah.
gonna hatch this egg, and we'll decide whether or not
If
what we're
it's
gonna do to
If
it.
it's a legendary, we have to put
Yes.
our potion on it.
So we really
So-
hope this will be a dodo.
We could get to 600.
Yeah. So
Is that enough? Ooh,
Oh.
maybe just 50 more.
yeah, just do 50 more.
Okay. There we go.
We're good.
Now we can buy it. Okay, do you want to hatch it?
Sure. Actually, I think you have better luck.
All right.
Fine. Oh wait, well let's see. I'll have to press
Hatch
now.
now. Okay.
Please.
What's it gonna be?
Dodo. What is it?
Ooh, it's a rare.
It's a pterodactyl. That's pretty good.
All right. Let's see what. Okay. Let's just look. The pterodactyl is in fact a rare. Okay, so that's all the time we have today.
We have one more hack though.
We have
Yes,
one more
we have
hack?
one more hack. Okay, so this one is in the Best Shop Ever place by the campsite. If I am right. Okay, so we're just gonna go over here. And guys, remember to comment down below what you think the next video idea should be. Maybe like unlimited Robux or accepting every train adopt me for 24 hours. Maybe like a 24-hour challenge, or maybe like decorating our house because our house is a bit plain.
Boring.
Yeah.
And we soon, if we get a lot of subscribers, which we would love it would make our day if you subscribe. We might do a live channel.
Yeah.
That would be really fun.
Yeah.
We can
So-
come on and have a live channel.
Yeah, so over here you see the nothing to see here. This is in the best shop ever.
I didn't know you could walk into vents.
So you could go into the vent, and then you'll go out this vent, and then you'll be in this area. And it's like Egbert, which I'm pretty sure was one of the creators of Adopt Me.
Wow.
There's him as an egg, and then
Wow.
a cracked egg, then a dog, and then there's these outfits.
Sorry, we have a little sister.
Yeah.
Or I have a little sister. Oh, okay. Sorry about her.
So yeah,
A little.
there's just nothing to see here. So yeah, that's all the time we have for today. So yeah, we're just gonna leave, and maybe we'll see one of you guys in a server.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.